Hello, my loves. Oh, happy Friday and welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole. And what's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, my loves? Today we are doing a twofer. We have Ipsy Glam bag for February as well as Lashybox bag for February. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in these, don't move. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves, this is gonna be a very quick video because I am filming this after I get off from work, and y'all, I'm telling y'all, I am exhausted. So excuse me if my energy is not on 10 today, but y'all, I'm a little tired. But I told you guys I would give you Ipsy and Lashybox today, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I hope you guys did check out my Lash Me monthly video that I posted at 8 a.m. If you did not, please go and check it out. Also on, what is today, Friday? Yes. So Wednesday I had beauty and a book subscription. I love that one. That one was at 5 p.m. Check that one out, guys. Also my Ipsy Glam X, I had that one also Wednesday. So this has been a week of like twofers. So I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I do have some exciting unboxings coming up for you guys. My girl, Nikki, one of my bomb ass subscribers, sent me over a package. I cannot wait for you guys to see that. That is coming up really soon. Also, I got my FabFitFun box in today. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that one Monday or just depend on how I'm feeling after work. So y'all, I have some good stuff coming up. So make sure if you're not subscribed to my channel, you please do so. Today we have some red wine. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. I am not doing any shout outs in this video, guys, because I did it at 8 a.m. in my Lash Me monthly video. So I just want to thank you guys all for your love and support on my channel. It means the world to me. I really have some cool ass people subscribe to me, and I love you guys. I really do. Now, let's get to what y'all are here for. I already opened this, y'all. So first we're going to do Lashybox. This one is $13.99 a month. You get 4 pair of lashes. You get some beauty tools, makeup in this bag, all for $13.99. Y'all know Lashybox is one of my favorite subs. So, yes, let's see what they got to offer for February. Y'all ready? Let's go. Oh, I do have a link down below for Lashybox if you guys want to subscribe. First thing up I am seeing is from Ruby May, and this is the Glam Queen mascara right here. Now, I do have a lot of mascaras right now, so I'm going to be putting this one in a giveaway. I will not open it. Y'all know I don't get prices for Lashybox, so if I can find prices before tomorrow, because I'm filming this Thursday night, guys, like, yeah. So if I can find prices before tomorrow, I'll put it down below in the video. But this is our first product, and I did get one like this a few months back, and I used it and I liked it. I didn't see really a big difference in my lashes, but I did like the way that it coated. Is that a word, coated? Yeah, my lashes. So this is our first product, my loves. Oh, and y'all, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because I've been doing some nails on my Instagram, and y'all, people have been responding really positive, so I'm getting better. So let's move to our lashes. First pair is from Cosmetics, and this is the Aquarius lashes. Now, these are very natural lashes. This is Aquarius. My son is Aquarius. He's born February 1st. I had to think about that. That's sad. All right, y'all, that's what they're looking like. Like I said, very natural. These are not Tonyanicole lashes, not even for work. I'm sure my natural girls or boys would definitely enjoy these lashes right there. Second pair is from Cosmetics as well, and these are the Libra lashes. If you are Aquarius or a Libra, go on and drop that sign down below. What's up, y'all? All right, so these are Libra, and these are natural as well. They just have a little bit more volume to them, but they're very natural. I'm sorry, they have, yeah, a little bit more of length to them, but they're still natural lashes. They are very pretty. They feel nice. The band is nice and small, so it won't look too bulky on the eyes. So these are very cute. All right, and then we have our two Lashybox pairs right here. First pair up is called Stardust. There they go right there. Beautiful, wispy, long lashes. These do retail for $9.99. I do know that about Lashybox, so yeah, baby. And then we have these in Glam. Now, these, baby, are Tonyanicole lashes. They're so full and long and dramatic. Like I am, boo. So I'm definitely gonna be rocking these. I love these lashes, and y'all know Lashybox's lashes last a long time. I really, really, really do love them. So yes, we got the 4 pairs of lashes, and we have one more product. Y'all, I'm sweating a little bit. Let me fan. Ooh, girl. Between the wine and these lights, girl. I know I'm not having no hot flash. I don't think so. I think I'm still kind of young for that. All right, so this is our last product, and it is a palette. And this is from Ocalin, and this is the, what is this? I don't know what the word is right there. I can't make that out. This S word, I don't know what that is. It's a matte eyeshadow. It says Shine Easy Glam Product Secret. And I know I probably will not be able to find a price on this one. I'll try, but it's always difficult for me to find one on Ocalin's products. Oh, girl, and we get a mirror. Hey, boo. All right, guys, so let's fold this back, and we're going to take the plastic off. All right, that's the palette right there. Beautiful, beautiful palette. It's nice fall colors, which I do like, but you know, we're getting ready to transition into like spring. So a palette with maybe a little bit more pop of color would have been, you know, nice, but I'm not knocking this one because I do love the colors, and this is definitely my style. So I like this. All righty, y'all. So Lashybox did it again for you, girl. We're going to quickly recap all of our products, and then we're going to do final thoughts and move on to Ipsy. But before then, let me take a little drink. From Ruby Made, this Glam Queen Mascara. From Ocalin, this matte eyeshadow palette. 2 pairs of lashes from Cos Cosmetics. And 2 pairs of lashes from Lashybox. So these 6 products are right here. Final thoughts on this box. I thought, you know, for $13, this box was pretty decent as usual. Y'all know I love Lashybox, so it's very hard for me not to enjoy the products that I get. The only thing I wasn't really feeling too much was these 2 pairs of lashes, but that's because they're natural and I'm more of like a drama girl. So that's it. We got a mascara full size as well as an eyeshadow palette. So I think Lashybox hit it out the park for February. For $13.99, guys, you just cannot beat it. Like, really. It's such a good sub for lash lovers. So, let's now move on to Ipsy. So, I'm just going to pull everything out. And if you guys have not checked out my Ipsy Glam X video as well as my PR video, I will have those linked down below, and I'll have some little, you know, cards up top for you guys to go on and click it. So this is our bag for the month, and I swear, y'all, I really love this bag. It says sealed with a kiss, perfect for February and love month. All right, so y'all know that the theme for the month was Send Love, and on the back it says celebrate Black History Month and buy black. Okay, cool. This is the list of the products we received, and it'll tell us if we have full-size products, deluxe, or sample size. With Ipsy, this bag is $12 a month. Yes, $12 a month. You're supposed to get 5 deluxe or sample size, sometimes full-size products in this bag, and I do have a code, well, a link down below if you guys want to check Ipsy out. They have really been kind of killing it, y'all, low-key. So, yeah, let's see what we got. First thing up is from Benefit, and this is the 24-hour brow setter, and I did pick this product. I do remember that. This is the mini, guys, so let's see what it looks like. All right, yeah, so that's what we are looking like right there, and let me get my little card out. So this is the 24-hour brow setter clear gel, And it says, brows that look naturally beautiful all day long. This clear gel has got you covered. Swipe it on for 24 hours of water-resistant definition and hold. Ooh, this is a deluxe size, my loves, and the full size retails for $24. Okay, so Benefit's brow products are really good. Have you guys tried them? Please let me know. I'm very interested. All right, next product up. Oh my goodness, girl. Look at this teeny little baby product right here. And this is from Galactic, and this is a lip gloss. Oh, I'm sorry. It is a cream eyeshadow. All right, so this is, you use this eye gloss as a Glam bronzy highlighter by blending it across your cheekbones. Okay, so this is definitely not a deluxe sample, but a sample. The full size retails for $19, loves. I'm gonna open this so I can see what the shade looks like. What y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna be nice and bronzy and go well with my skin tone? Well, I hope so. All right, when we open it up, it has a little seal on it, and you do get 4 milliliters of product in here. Well, let's see if I can take this off. Ooh, girl, when we take it out, that's what we're looking like. Let me smear that out a little bit so we can see the color. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it is very pretty. That's the shade right there. Nice bronzy, rosy type color. I love it. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, cool. So I could get some use out of this. It's very little, but I can make it do what it do. Y'all know. Don't forget, it is 5 o'clock somewhere, so y'all drink up. Get your drink on. Ugh. All right. Next up, we have from, ooh, let me see. This is Harahu, girl. I'm going to put it right down the screen. This is a black rice hyaluronic toner. Okay, and you get 13 milliliters of product in here. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is a gentle toner that helps condition and moisturize your skin while protecting it from free radicals, pollution, and blue light. It's all thanks to this hydrating hyaluronic acid and antioxidant-rich black rice. And you're going to apply it with a cotton swab or, you know, with your fingers, clean fingers. You're going to sweep it across your face after you cleanse. This is the deluxe size. The full size retails for $22. Okay. Oh, it does have a little seal on it. I won't open it, but I'm interested in trying this out. I really am. Black rice. Okay, cool. Next up, we have from, is it REP? Nature Ultra All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. This is definitely a deluxe size. The full size retails for $32. In this one, you get, how much? I don't know how much. It says, when your skin's feeling extra thirsty, this super hydrating overnight mask will give you a dewy, bouncy, quenched complexion come morning. It has olive oil in it, lemon balm, and tea tree. Ooh, to boost your skin's lipid barrier. That's to help lock in the moisture. Plus, it balances the oils and clarifies overall on your complexion. Alrighty, guys. So this is the sample size, as I told you guys. They have a little seal on it, so I will not open this one. So, okay, we got a moisturizer. I'm noticing that my Ipsy is a little bit skincare heavy. Well, I don't know. I'm not really sure how I feel about this little Ipsy this month. The little bag is usually my favorite, but I don't know. Okay, so our next product up is this, guys, and this is from Farah, and this is the flat foundation brush 615F. This is $16. It is the full size, and it's good for applying your foundation, contour, or liquid or cream products onto your face. And yeah, let's see what it looked like. I do love Farah brushes, and I do love getting brushes in my subscription. Y'all know that. All right, that's what the brush looks like. That's the bristles right there. They're soft. I don't know what I would use this for. Probably, I don't know. Maybe to brush away my powder under my eyes or something. I don't know. But this is the brush right here. $16. All right, so that was our final product in Ipsy. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from this product here, this company, this toner right here. From Galactic, this highlighter, bronzy highlighter. From REP Nature, this night moisturizer here. From Farah, this foundation brush. And from Benefit, this 24-hour brow setter gel. So these 5 products right here, and our little baggie for the month. Final thoughts on Ipsy. I'm not really too blown away by Ipsy this month. One thing I love about my channel, guys, is I'm honest. And if it's something that I like, I'm going to say. If it's something I don't like, I will say. So don't take it as me being positive or negative. Just take it as my own personal opinion and feedback. You know, people may like the bag. Some people may not. But I'm just giving you Tonyanicole's opinion. And I was a little underwhelmed this month by my bag. I am usually a big fan of Ipsy's Glam bag, but this month, the only 2 things I'm really excited about, well, 3 things, is these 3 products right here. The toner is nice, but I mean, it's not really big enough to get like a lot of use out of. So, I mean, it's okay. I don't know. Y'all let me know down below what you thought of my Ipsy. I just wasn't really too overjoyed with it, honestly. So yes, that's all I have to say about that, guys. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of my Lashybox as well as my Ipsy. And I will have links to everything down below, my loves. And all of my videos, I'll have them down below and up top somewhere throughout the video. I don't know. But that's all I got for right now, y'all. I'm going to go take this wig off, take this makeup off, edit this video in my bed. So I will talk to you guys in the comments. And I'm sorry I haven't been answering the comments, y'all. I have just been so overwhelmed with work because I'm the COVID shot nurse. I'm giving injections now. So we have been like super busy. So I've been like tired. But I will get to them as soon as I can. Y'all know I love talking to y'all. So yes, I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you all dearly. Cheers, my loves.